it has positive or negative sign.
Yeah, so sign number is nothing but are the numbers which are either positive or they are negative. Okay, so basically it has two part. One is called as a sign, and other part is called as magnitude. So if any number has these two things, then we can say that that number is nothing but is called as a sign numbers. Okay, so that sign numbers can be represented in three different format. तीन तरीके से आप उसको represent कर सकते हो. कैसा? पहला is first is called as a sign number format. Okay, the second format is basically called as ones complement, and the third way of representing that is two's complement. Okay, the problem of sign number format is it is generating -0, which is not supposed to be there. It is also generating -0, which is not supposed to be there, but it is one of the best way of representation where no such nonsense number is being generated. Okay, so that is the major advantage that we get of two's complement. Okay, we'll quickly repeat it. What are the different steps that we have? Okay, yeah, so we have a decimal number system. Then we have signed number system. Okay, then we have ones complement number system, and finally we have two's complement number system. Okay, so we'll start from 3, then we'll go to 2, then we'll go to 1, we'll go to 0, we'll write -1, we'll get -2, and we'll get -3. Okay, so tell me how to represent 3 in sign numbers. How to represent 3 in sign numbers? Just tell me in yeah, use exactly 3-bit, or you can say 4-bit. 4-bit ka representation. We'll take 4-bit ka representation. Everything
0011.
everything has to be in 4-bit. So it is 0011. What about 2? 2 can be represented as
001.
0010. 1 can be represented as
00.
0001. 0 can be represented as 0 0 0 0. -1 can be represented as -1. 1 का सिर्फ MSB you want to make it as minus. So how to do that? How to represent 1 as -1? Just write down 1. So what is the representation of 1? It is 001. The MSB which was supposed to be 0, now you need to change it to 1 because it is negative number. Are you guys getting it? So it is 1001. What about -2? Tell me what about -2? So it is, you need to copy these 3-bit from 2 itself, and this MSB you need to make it as 1. So guess how that it is 1010. What about -3? 1 0
1011.
1 1. Okay, so this is how we get for -3. Is this clear? You have the clear? We'll see about we'll see about one's complement. One's complement may be positive number, may there is no such changes. Okay, so 0 0 1 1. This is how represent 3. Positive number will remain exactly as same as it is there in sign number also, as there is in one's complement also, as it is in two's complement. The only changes that happens at the negative side. So 0 0 1 1. 2 can be written down as 0 0 1 0. 1 can be written down as 0 0 0 1. Okay, 0 can be written down as all zeros, 4 zeros. Now tell me how to represent -1 in one's complement. यानी 1 का complement लेना है आपको. That is how -1 is represented. So what is a 1 ka complement? Everything which represent 1, you just need to switch it. So it is 1 1 1 and 0, right? Yeah. What we do, we just take 1 and we took its 1's complement. Yani everything which is there in 1, you just need to negate it, and then that number becomes 1's complement, or which is equal to -1. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me about 2. What is 2? How to represent 2? -2, sorry. This is 2. You need to get its negative. It is 1 1. Again
0
0
0 1
1. How to represent -3? How to represent -3?
00
Double 1 and
1100.
0. So this is how we write 1's complement. What about 2's complement? How to write 2's complement? So initially all the positive value will remain as it is. Positive में कुछ फर्क नहीं है. So it is 0 0 1 1. Negative में Yeah. So I write 0, 0, 1, 0 for 2. For 1, I can write down as 0, 0, 0, 1. For 0, I can write down all zeros. Okay. Now minus 1. What we need to do in minus 1? You need to get its ones complement and add 1 to it. Ones complement is nothing but this. You add 1 to it. What is the value that you get? The easiest one. Okay, I'll just quickly say the easiest route how to find any numbers ka ones two's complement. The easiest route is if you've got any digit. Okay, let's say this is 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1. इसका आपको two's complement निकालना है. Okay, I'll take another 0. इसका two's complement अगर आपको निकालना है. Okay, please listen carefully. Any numbers का two's complement निकालना है is one of the easiest way. How to get that two's complement? Until and unless you get the first one, you need to copy the digit as it is. So we have got 0, so we'll copy 0 as it is. We have got 1, we'll copy as it is. As soon as we get first one, after every bit needs to be flipped. उसके बाद के सारे के बिट को आपको फ्लिप करना है. तो ये 1 क्या बन जाएगा? 0. ये 0 क्या बन जाएगा? 1. ये 0 क्या बन जाएगा? 1. This 1 will become 0. This 0 will become 1. This 1 will become 0. So this is nothing but इसका 2's complement. Are you guys getting it? How to get 2's complement? This is a shortcut method of getting to 2's complement. Okay, so let's take another number 0 0 1 0. इसका 2's complement निकालो. This is nothing but 2. इसका 2's complement क्या हो जाएगा? -2. -2 कैसे निकलेगा? How to find -2? Till you get the first one, just copy it. Okay, so till I get first one, यहाँ तक मुझे first one मिला, I copy exactly my bit. इसके आगे के bit को मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I just need to flip it. So what I'll get? 1 and 1. So this is nothing but -2. Are you guys getting it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, this is my number. Okay. It gets its 2's complement.
0 1 0 0.
0 1 0 0.
So it is 0 0. It is 1. It is 0. Okay. So 0 1 0 0. Okay. So we get this number as my 2's complement of the following number. Okay. Yeah, I'll quickly take another random number 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, I've taken a bigger number. Now do is 2's complement. Get its 2's complement. So first we get 0, then we get 0, then we get
1.
1. After this 1 1 1. After that 0. After this 1 0 0. So this is what I got. I've got this as my 2's complement of the following number. Iska 2's complement is this one. Okay, so is the shortcut method clear to you? Is it clear?
Yeah.
What is the long cut method? What is the longer method? Any number that you have got, get its first one's complement. Uska pehle 1 complement lo. After getting the 1's complement, add 1 to it. What you'll get is nothing but 2's complement. This is the long method to do. Okay, what is the shortcut method? Take the number, copy from the LSB, copy till you get the first one. As soon as you have got first one, after that just flip the bit and just copy it down. So that is the easiest route. Is it clear? So once you know, now tell me how to get 1 ka complement. 1 ka complement is nothing but -1. How you can get 1 ka complement? So you need to get its 2's complement. How to get its 2's complement? Till you got the first one, आपको copy करना है. After that, what will be the next bits? It will be
1
1 1 1. Okay. Tell me about 2. What is the 2's complement? 2's complement is nothing but -2. So 2 का complement ले लो. 2 का 2's complement ले लो. So it is 0 1. उसके बाद 1 1 1. What about -3? How to represent -3? So 3 का complement आपको लेना पड़ेगा. What is 3's complement? It is 1. आपने कॉपी किया, उसके बाद फ्लिप करना है आपको, which is 0 1 1. Okay, is this clear? Now मुझे अगर कोई भी रैंडम नंबर मैं आपको ले रहा हूँ, जैसे कि 1 1 0 1 मैंने आपको नंबर दिया. You need to find out what is the meaning of this number. Can you tell me what is the meaning? What does this digit mean? कोई बता सकता है? What is the meaning of this digit?
-5.
It's a negative number.
You cannot guess. Okay, जैसे आप बोल रहे हो कि -5 है, you cannot guess it directly. For 2's complement is little bit complicated. Okay, so in order to identify that number, first you need to identify its sign. So by looking at the sign, can you tell me whether the number is positive or negative?
Negative.
It is negative. It is negative. That is for sure. पहली चीज तो कंफर्म हो गई, इसका साइन मुझे पता चल गया. Now in order to get the second part, which is the magnitude, आई नीड टू गेट नेगेटिव नंबर का टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट मुझे लेना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज ऑलवेज द नेगेटिव नंबर इज स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट, यानी उसका ओरिजिनल नंबर अगर मुझे चाहिए तो उसका टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट मुझे वापस लेना पड़ेगा. So find the 2's complement of 1101. Get its 2's complement. What will get? कैसे निकलेगा? 1 कॉपी करोगे, उसके बाद के सारे बिट को फ्लिप करना है. So what it will become? 0 will become 1. This will become 0. This will become 0. So what you got? This is nothing but
minus 3.
minus
this is nothing but 3. And since the sign was minus, your original number has become minus 3. So this is the representation of minus 3. Are you guys getting it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me, what about this number? First go with sign. Tell me what is the sign. Sign is plus.
Positive.
Since it is plus, that means this is, you don't have to convert it into 2's complement. Whatever is the number, it is the actual magnitude that we are talking about. So tell me, what is the actual magnitude? You don't have to convert it into anything.
Three.
It is 3.
3.
So जब तक ये positive है, you don't have to convert it. As soon as it is negative, that means the number is stored in its 2's complement form. Is that clear? Okay, I'll just give some random number. 0101. Tell me, what is this number?
plus 5.
Plus 5. Very good.
5.
Very good. 011 111. Just tell me, what is this number?
7 plus
7.
7.
Don't just say 7.
Plus
Say
7.
say plus 7. Okay. Yeah. 0110. Tell me this number.
Plus 6.
Plus 6.
Plus 6.
6.
Okay. 0010. Tell me this number.
2.
Plus 2. Plus 2. 01101. Tell me this number.
Plus
13.
13.
Plus 13. Okay. 1101. Tell me this number.
Negative number.
It is negative. That is for sure. Now you need to convert this into 2's complement. 2's complement क्या होगा? पहला digit copy करो जब तक 1 नहीं आएगा. You have got 1. After that you need to flip. So 0 will become 1.
0, 0.
This is 0 0. So this is nothing but minus.
Minus 3.
Okay, is that here? I'll give another number 10111. Tell me this number.
Negative number.
It is negative for sure. After that you need to, till you get the first one, you need to copy. After that you need to flip. So this one will become
0.
0. This one will become 0.
0.
This 0 will become
1.
1. And this one will become 0. So tell me this number, what is it? 8 plus 9.
Minus
It
9.
is, the number is
Minus
9.
9.
Is that clear? Is that clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
if I say,
Yes.
yeah, if I say, tell me the representation of minus 13. Can you get the value of minus 13? How to write, represent minus 13 in binary? कैसे करोगे? First you need to get what?
1. As it is negative.
नहीं, डायरेक्टली कन्वर्ट भी डायरेक्टली नहीं कर सकते आप. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? फर्स्ट गेट 13 का बाइनरी. फाइंड द 13 का बाइनरी. 13 बाइनरी इज
1 0
1
1.
1 0.
8 4 12 0 and 1 13. This is it 13? Is it 13?
Yes.
Yes.
If you put 0 over here, then it becomes 13, right? वरना ये नेगेटिव नंबर हो जाता है. 1101 is nothing but it is negative number. 0 डाल दिया, it has become now plus 13. अब ये प्लस 13 को आपको माइनस 13 में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसका 2's complement लेना पड़ेगा. So find the 2's complement of this number. So this is 1. After that you need to flip the data. So it will become 1, it will become 0, it will become 0, this will become 1. So this number is nothing but it is minus 13. Are you guys getting it?
Yes, sir.
If you want to check again, ये number को वापस check करके देखो. So based on the MSB, we can say that the number is negative. Since the number is negative, that means this number, the whole number has been stored in its 2's complement. So get its 2's complement again. So 2's complement लोगे तो क्या होगा? This one will remain as it is. After this, you need to flip the data. So you get 0, then you get 1, 1, and this you get 0. So what is this number? This number is nothing but 13. Since the number was supposed to be negative, that is why the number is nothing but minus 13. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another number. Be specific about this, because इस वजह से अगर ये clear नहीं हुआ, I can guarantee that you can lose straight 10 marks. Okay? क्योंकि आगे के numerical में, which is there in the 4th module, you might be doing some mistake. Okay? I will just give an example. There is a numerical where you need to do minus 9 into 3. Okay? So generally लोग क्या करते हैं? 9 can be written down as 1001, right? This is how we write 9. Minus 9 के लिए लोग क्या कर देते हैं कि extra 1 यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं, which is a wrong way of doing it. Okay? This is okay in signed number. बट नॉट ओके इन टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट. इसको अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 3 के साथ, व्हाट इज 3? 3 इज नथिंग बट 0 0 1 1. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आप एक्चुअली बता सकते हो आप किस नंबर को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो. एक्चुअली आंसर कितना आना चाहिए? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द आंसर दैट शुड सपोज टू कम? -9 into 3. What it should be?
27.
-27 should come. Now tell me, if you do by using this method, what is this number actually? What is this number actually? Can you tell me? We can say that it is negative number, that is for sure. Yeah. After that, you need to get this 2's complement. So 2's complement क्या होगा? This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0. This is nothing but what? It is nothing but what? -7. So what you are doing is -7 into 3, and what you will get as an answer? -21. What you are supposed to get? -27. So just you were unable to get its 2's complement wrong. You got your whole answer wrong. Are you guys getting it? The seriousness of this conversion? Yeah, so we'll take few more examples. Just make sure आज मैं पूरा lecture सिर्फ और सिर्फ इस conversion में ही लेने वाला हूँ, okay? Because I want to give dedicated time to that, okay? And it is one of the most important thing, because whenever I go to even to the reputed colleges for the Viva, people do mistake over there. हाँ, yes?
सर ये आपने जैसे 13 का कन्वर्जन किया तो 0110 को है
हाँ.
सर, उसको -13 किए थे तो सर वही तो, ये तो शॉर्टकट हुआ. एंड +1 करके भी वही नंबर आना चाहिए ना?
हाँ, वो वैसे भी वही नंबर आना चाहिए. एक एग्जांपल दे देता हूँ. जैसे अगर जैसे 13 है मेरा, ओके, आई नीड टू फाइंड -13. -13 कैसे करूंगा मैं? पहले 13 का वैल्यू निकालूंगा. 13 कैसे आएगा? इट इज 1 which is 8, 8 के बाद 4, 12 हो गया, 0 1. This is my 13, but this is as per the signed rule. MSB has to be 0 if I want to make it as a positive number. So मैं यहाँ पे एक extra 0 डाल दूंगा. Now it has become 13. Okay, is that clear? ये मेरा 13 है. अब मैं इसका लॉन्गर मेथड से निकालता हूँ -13 कैसे आएगा. तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? सबसे पहला स्टेप क्या है? आई नीड टू गेट इट वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट. पहले इसका वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालो. सो गेट इट्स वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट. व्हाट विल गेट? 1 will become 0, this 0 will become 1. Everything has to be flipped. So this 1 will become 0, this 0 will become 1, this 1 will become 0, this 1 will also become 0, this 0 will become 1. ये मेरा वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट आ गया. इज दैट क्लियर? ये मेरा वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. इसके बाद इसका 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालने के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? आई नीड टू ऐड 1 टू दिस. 1 ऐड करो तो क्या हो जाएगा? 0 + 1 is nothing but 1. This 1 will come down, this 0 will come down, this 0 will come down, and this 1 will come down. So this is what? It is nothing but -3, -13. चेक करना है, वापस चेक कर लो. Since the number is MSB is nothing but 1, we can say that the number is negative. Since the number is negative, that means it has been stored in its 2's complement. यानी इस नंबर को 2's complement में स्टोर किया गया है. That means it is not the actual value that we are talking about. इसका कुछ अलग ही वैल्यू है. वो कैसे निकालेंगे? Get its 2's complement. तो 2's complement कैसे निकलेगा? 1 जब तक नहीं मिलेगा तब तक आप कॉपी करोगे. उसके बाद के सारे बिट को आपको फ्लिप करना पड़ेगा. So this 1 will become 0, this 0 will become 1, this 0 will become 1, and this 1 will become 0. So this is nothing but what is it? 13. And since the number was negative, that means this number is nothing but -13. Is it clear? वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट से कैसे निकालना समझ में?
ओके, तो सर एग्जाम में ऐसा करेंगे कि शॉर्टकट?
एग्जाम में अगर आपको पूछा गया तो आपको ये लॉन्ग कट मेथड यूज करना है. ओके, दिस इज जनरली गिवन फॉर द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम. इफ यू गो फॉर द गेट एग्जाम, इफ यू गो फॉर एनी अदर एग्जामिनेशन जहाँ पे आपको अक्सर ऐसा पूछा जाता है, ये कोई नंबर दे दिया जाता है. ओके ओके, ऐसा कुछ नंबर दे दिया जाएगा एंड दे विल आस्क यू टू फाइंड इट्स 2's complement. सो इतने बड़े नंबर को अगर आप पहले कॉम्प्लीमेंट करोगे फिर उसके अंदर 1 ऐड करोगे तो इट विल टेक सम टाइम. ओके, सो द इजीएस्ट राउट इज व्हाट? एज सून एज यू गेट 1, वहां पे आपको कॉपी करना है, उसके आगे के सारे बिट को फ्लिप करना है. सो दिस इज 1 1 1, दिस विल बिकम 0, दिस विल बिकम 1 1 1, दिस इज 0. सो दिस इज व्हाट नथिंग बट योर 2's complement. सो इट इज वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट मेथड ऑफ डूइंग इट, बट इन एग्जाम यू नीड टू फॉलो दिस. इज दिस क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर.
या
सर अगर वो 0 के अगर प्लस, अगर 0 के यहाँ पे 1 रहता तो 1 0 0 1 1 रहता तो
यहाँ पे 1 0 0, यहाँ की बात कर रहे हो आप?
नहीं सर, फर्स्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट है ना.
हाँ, फर्स्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट यहाँ पे
उसमें 1 0 0 1 1 रहता तो
1 1 रहता तो. अच्छा, अगर ऐसा कोई नंबर होता तो फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से मैं 12 ले लेता हूँ. 12. ओके, 12 का मैं -12 को मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज -12. सो 12 कैन बी रिटन डाउन एज, हाउ 12 कैन बी रिटन डाउन एज?
1100.
1100. So I need to add 0 to it in order to make it as a plus 12. Now plus 12 को मुझे minus 12 में convert करना है. So मैं क्या करूंगा, इसका ones complement लूंगा. So ones complement is nothing but I'll get 1, I'll get 1, I'll get 0, I'll get 0, I'll get 1. यहाँ तक clear है? 2's complement निकालने के लिए मुझे 1 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. Okay? Now add 1 to it. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 in binary can be written down as 0 carry 1, right? ऐसे लिखते हैं ना binary में. 2 कैसे लिखोगे आप? 1 0 लिखोगे ना? So the 1 will go into the carry and 0 will come down. Now 1 plus 1 again, what is the answer? 2. So 2 in binary is written down as 0, carry is 1. This 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. This 0 is as it is, this 1 will come down. So this is what you get as minus 12. If you want to check, check again. कैसे check करेंगे? You can identify that this number is negative number. Since the number is negative, that means it has been stored in its 2's complement. Get its 2's complement. कैसे निकलेगा? तो 0 copy करोगे आप, 0 copy करोगे आप, 1 copy करोगे और आगे के bit को flip कर दोगे. तो this 1 will become 1 and this 1 will become 0. So this is nothing but it is
12.
12. And since it was negative number, that means the number is nothing but minus 12. Which number? We are talking about this number. समझ में आ गया? Dot clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll take some random number. Yeah. Get minus 27. Show me the representation of minus 27. Do it in 2's complement. Okay. Everything you need to do in 2's complement. So सबसे पहले स्टेप क्या होगा? पहले 20 plus 27 का रिप्रेजेंटेशन फाइंड करो. प्लस 27 के बाद आप उसका माइनस 27 निकालो. ओके, डोंट डायरेक्टली माइनस है तो पहले मैं 1 लगा दूंगा फिर 27 डाल दूंगा. दैट विल बिकम साइन नंबर्स व्हिच इज नॉट यूज्ड एट ऑल. आपको 2's complement ही निकालना है. 2's complement निकालने का तरीका क्या है? पहले पॉजिटिव वैल्यू निकालो, फिर उसको बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करके फिर उसका नेगेटिव वैल्यू निकालो बाय डूइंग द 2's complement ऑफ द नंबर. So what is the representation of 27? 27 कैसे होगा? Plus 27.
11011.
11011. Everybody is getting the same thing? 16 plus 8 is 24, 24 plus 4, 2 and 3. 27, yeah. So this is 27. Plus 27 करने के लिए आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा? You need to add 0. अगर ये 0 नहीं करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? This number would have become something else. कैसे? Can you tell me what is this number? अगर आपको इसको as it is लिखोगे तो what is this number actually? अगर मैं 0 हटा दिया तो can someone tell me?
Minus.
It is minus, that is for sure. बाकी digit बताओ क्या होगा? So it is, this is, you need to flip. So 1 copy कर लोगे, आगे के digit को flip करो.
11.
0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0. 11 कैसे? 5 होगा ना?
-5.
5 ही
क्योंकि
होगा.
मैं पहले बता रहा था सर.
1, this is, yeah, this is 1. Sorry, this is 0, this is 1, this is, sorry, एक सेकेंड, सॉरी माय बैड. 11011 इसको आपको चेक करना है इसका वैल्यू क्या है. सो दिस इज माइनस. आप क्या करोगे? 1 यहाँ पे रख लोगे, उसके बाद आप फ्लिप करोगे. सो यू विल गेट 0 ओवर हियर, यू विल गेट 1 ओवर हियर, यू विल गेट 0 ओवर हियर, 0. हाँ, तो -5 ही आएगा ना इसका आंसर.
Yes.
So this number is nothing but -5. Okay, but आपको क्या रिप्रेजेंट कराना है? आपको इसको प्लस 27 बनाना है. तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? 11011 के आगे एक 0 लगाना is compulsory. Then only you can say that it is plus 27. Or else अगर 0 नहीं लगाओगे तो it will become -5. So it is very serious that you need to put extra 0 over there. Okay. Now the number has become 27. अब इसका -27 कैसे निकालोगे? How to find -27? Get its 2's complement. So I'll go with the easier route. You go with the longer route. So easier route में क्या, longer route में क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले इसका 1's complement निकालो, उसके अंदर 1 ऐड करो. Go with the longer route. Okay. शॉर्टकट तो सबको पता चल गया है, but at least go with the longer route so that you can understand it. Okay. What is the answer that I can get? Easier route से I'll copy as soon as I get first one bit, उसके बाद मैं सारे bit को flip कर दूंगा. So this 1 will become 0, this 0 will become 1, this 1 will become 0, this 1 will become 0, this 0 will become 1. So are you getting this 100,101 as -27?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you're getting that means you have understood the concept. Okay, I'll quickly give a random number. You just tell me the value of it. Okay, 00100111. Tell me this value. What is this number?
Positive.
Positive 9.
9.
Positive 9. Good. Tell me this number. What is this number?
Positive 9.
Positive 9.
Again it is positive 9. That means अगर मैं positive के आगे जितना भी zero लगा दूं, it remain positive. Yeah? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, yeah, if I have 1011, tell me what is the value? What is 1011?
Negative.
The number is negative, that is for sure. Find its magnitude.
3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. If I add 0 over here, what will happen?
Positive 1.
11.
Plus 11.
Positive
Right?
11.
If I remove the 0 and if I add 1 over here, what will happen?
Negative number.
हाँ, आगे का मैग्नीट्यूड बताओ.
$11.
No, I don't think so. Check carefully.
5 minus 5.
Is it coming minus 5? 1011 कैसे होगा? What is the value of 1011? Can someone tell me? 1011 is 1. This one will be flipped, so it will become 0. This one will be made as 1 and this one will be made as 0. So this is not minus 3. I think this is minus 5. Minus 5 होगा ना ये?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So those who have said minus 3, so please make sure you check again. I think it is minus 5. If I write 11011, what is this value? I add extra 1 to it. What is this value? It is also minus 5. If I add 111, 011, what is this? It is also minus 5. If I have 4 ones, 011, it is also minus 5. That means if the number is negative, I can add as many ones before it. It has no issues. If the number is positive, which is 0101, which is 5, I can add as many zeros to it. It will have no changes onto it. Okay, so that is a major difference. नेगेटिव नंबर में आप एमएसबी में जितना आगे 1 लगाना है आपको कोई इशू नहीं है. पॉजिटिव नंबर में अगर आपको एमएसबी में अगर आप पॉजिटिव नंबर है तो आप 0 लगा दो, कोई इशू नहीं है. लेकिन अगर आप 0 से रिप्लेस कर दोगे द नंबर वुड बिकम पॉजिटिव एंड इट वुड बिकम समथिंग एल्स. ओके, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट जो आगे काम में आएगा आपको. ओके, आई विल रिपीट अगेन व्हाट आई वाज सपोज्ड टू स्पीक. 5 plus 5 is represented as 0101. Is this clear? Minus 5 is represented as, how it was represented? I think 1011. 1011. This is how minus 5 is represented. Plus 5 you can also represent it by keep on adding 0 before it. Okay, कोई इशू नहीं होगा, ये प्लस 5 ही रहने वाला है. यहाँ पे अगर आप 0 लगा दिया इसका मतलब नंबर पॉजिटिव हो गया और नंबर की वैल्यू कुछ अलग हो जाएगी. So you cannot add 0 to it in case of negative number. You can add as many ones before it. It will not have any implication on it. It will still remain minus 5. Just like positive number में आप 0 ऐड कर देते हो पहले नंबर से, कोई इशू नहीं होता है. Similarly for negative number you can add as many ones before that number. It will not have any implication on it. Is this clear?
Yes.
Is it clear? Okay. So this was one of the point which will be used later. So सिर्फ उस point का reference देने के लिए मैंने अभी बता दिया है. We'll quickly go back to the conversion. Yeah, get this value. Minus 11. Get its 2's complement.
Sir, 10101.
10101. Is this you're getting? I'll check,
Yes.
quickly check. The number is negative. Get a 2's complement. 2's complement is nothing but it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Sorry, my bad. The number is negative. That means 1 copy होगा. उसके बाद का bit will be 1, 0, 1, 0. So this is nothing but 8 plus 2 plus 1. Yeah, it is same. Yeah, so this is your minus 11. Okay, I'll quickly say, let's say 19. Do the conversion of 19. Do the conversion of 19. 16, 0, 8,
0011.
0011.
सर
16
वन
17
जीरो
18
डबल जीरो वन
तो ये यही होगा 10011 यही होगा will it be
सर
will
मेरा अलग आ रहा है
क्या आ रहा है आपका
101101
101101
जीरो वन
इतना आ रहा है कैसे हो सकता है ये दिस इज नथिंग बट दिस इज 2 raised to 0 दिस इज 2 raised to 1 दिस इज 2 raised to 2 दिस इज 2 raised to 3 दिस 2 raised to 4 2 raised to 4 is nothing but 16 16 plus this is 2 plus 1 so it's nothing but 16 plus 2 plus 18 18 plus 1 is 19 so this is nothing but this is 19 this is 19 10011 this is coming as 19 okay but is this actually 19 no you need to add 0 to it so don't do that mistake okay ये जो आप बोल रहे हो 10110 ये क्या होगा actually representation this is 1 this is
सर ये
4
वाला मैंने -19 निकाला है
हाँ तो ये आपने -19 निकाला आपको +19 निकालना पड़ेगा ओके सो एवरीबॉडी गॉट दिस +19 पूछा गया तो आपको यहाँ पे 0 लगाना इज कंपलसरी यू डोंट हैव टू जस्ट स्टॉप ओवर हियर यू नीड टू ऐड एक्स्ट्रा साइन टू इट इज इट क्लियर
Yes, sir.
clear yeah 0 1 0 0 1 1 tell me what is this number
+19.
+19 1 1 0 0 1 1 tell me this number
-9
minus
19
no I don't think so minus तो confirm है आगे का part देखो क्या होगा so this one is nothing but it will remain 1 after that you need to flip so this 0 this is 1 this is 1 this is 0 this is 0 what is this 8 4 12 12 1
-13
-13 okay so don't never look at this number अगर ये 19 है मैंने इसके अंदर माइनस यहाँ पे लगा दिया तो it becomes -19 don't be that fool enough okay so 2's complement never tell you the exact value you need to calculate the value for it okay उसके लिए आपको मेहनत करना पड़ेगा in order to get that number is this clear is it clear
Yes, sir.
I'll take another example we'll take as many example as possible time है हमारे पास 15 मिनट और है yeah so 0 1 0 1 1 what is this number
positive
positive
Positive 11.
it is positive 11 yeah so 1 1 0 1 1 what is this number
negative number
it is negative आगे get it 2's
5
complement
5
it is -5 okay it is -5 another number 0 1 1 1 what is this number
+7
Positive 7.
+7 what is this number
-1.
-1 everybody is getting that as -1
yes sir
Yes, sir.
okay another example 1 0 1 1 1 1 what is this number
-17
-17
-7
okay good 0 1 1 1 1 what is this number
+15
+15 okay 1 1 0 0 what is this number
-4.
-4
-4 okay so I'm sure it is clear now is it clear
सर
yes any doubt
सर डेसिमल मैग्नीट्यूड लेके कीजिए ना
डेसिमल मैग्नीट्यूड लेकर के मतलब पॉइंट में
नो
बोल रहे हो ना
नो नो सर
Then?
जस्ट खाली मतलब 13 14 समथिंग माइनस में लेके
okay fine okay yeah -19 try to convert नहीं 19 हो चुके मेरे ख्याल से do it -12 get the value of -12 how to do that first get the value of 12 what is 12 8 4 12 0 0 so this is 0 so this is +12 right yeah
Yes, sir.
-12 निकालने के लिए इसका वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट ले लो so what it will be 0 0 1 1 मिल गया अब आगे के बिट को फ्लिप करना है so 0 1 10100. Are you guys getting the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Quickly, minus 21. Do this. So 16 4 20 और 21 16 0 4 0 1. नहीं minus 21 equal to sorry my bad, minus 21. So I think 21 is this, so you just add 0 to it, get it 2's complement, so 1. This is 1 0 1 0 1. Is this you're getting?
Yes, sir.
Everybody is getting the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Get the value of minus 8. Get the 2's complement of minus 8. Eight can be written down as 1000. Plus 8 can be written down as you need to add 0 to it. Now get a 2's complement. So 0 0 0 1. After that you need to flip. Are you guys getting this as the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 0 0. Okay. Minus 16. Tell me the value of minus 16.
Sir, 1 4 times 0.
1 4 times 0. Are you guys getting the same thing, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. I'll just check how to do that. 16 is nothing but it is 1 4 times 0, right? This is 16. Plus 0, you'll just add 0 to it in order to make it as a plus 16. After getting plus 16, you need to get it 2's complement. 2's complement kya hoga? 0 0 0 0. You get first one and then you need to convert it into, yeah. So this is minus 16. Do for minus 15. Minus 15. Okay, it is not minus 152. It is minus 15. 15 can be written down as 1 1 1 1. Put 0 to it. You get 1. After that, you need to flip. So 0 0 0 1. Is this? Okay. Is this clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So why it is being used? What is the need of having 2's complement? 2's complement बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आगे सर्किट है आएगा. ओके, आई डोंट वांट टू स्टार्ट गोइंग टू दैट, बट अभी फिलहाल हमारे पास टाइम है. हमने बहुत सारे डिफरेंट कैलकुलेशंस करके देखे हैं, बट अभी थोड़ा टाइम है, सो आई जस्ट गिव सम ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट दैट एंड विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द नीड. यस, एनी डाउट?
आपने वो बॉक्स बनाया था डेसिमल और वो वाला, 1 मिनट वो दिखाओ ना, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है.
डेसिमल वाला? अच्छा, पहला वाला, दिस वन.
यस सर.
I'll be sharing the whole video. Okay, I'll be putting onto the YouTube. मैं संडे के दिन मैं सारे वीडियोस जो 5 लेक्चर हुए आपके सारे एक साथ डाल दूंगा मैं.
डन सर.
Okay. Yeah. So what is the need of having these 2's complement? The need of having 2's complement is basically there will be a circuit that we'll be discussing. I think after this lecture or maybe a lecture after this, there will be a concept which is called as adder. Okay, you'll be using a circuit which is called as adder, and the role of the circuit will be, adder का मतलब क्या करके देगा ये आपको? एडिशन करके देगा. So it will perform 2 plus 2. Okay, so आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा 4. Okay, 5 plus 5 करके देगा तो ये आपको 10 दे देगा. So it will do normal addition, nothing else. Okay, then there is a circuit called as subtractor. Subtractor क्या करके देगा? Subtract करके देगा. So 2 minus 2 will get 0. 4 minus 2 will get 2. This is how it will do. But there is nothing called as subtractor. There is no circuit called as subtractor. Okay, ऐसा कोई सर्किट नहीं जो subtract करके देगा. तो subtraction होता है कैसे? How to do subtraction? Okay, so subtraction भी adder के साथ ही होगा. Subtraction भी adder के साथ ही होगा. How to get adder? How to use adder as a subtractor? How to use adder as a subtractor? So basically अगर मुझे 4 minus 2 करना है तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I need to do 4 plus of minus 2. So what is the answer? 2. So ये minus 2 निकालने के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? 2 का 2's complement लेना पड़ेगा. So if I get 2's का 2 का 2's complement, 2's का complement is nothing but minus 2. If I add that to 4, I'll get exactly 2. Are you guys getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So basically, you are trying to remove one of the most important circuit. आपने वो circuit बनाई ही नहीं है. वो circuit का नाम क्या है? Subtractor. अगर एक component भी अगर मैंने remove कर दिया मेरे एक microchip से, यानी एक मेरे processor से, so I can save thousands of rupees. I can save enormous amount of power supply. I can save as many resources as possible. Okay, ये मैं इतना सारा चीज मैं बचा सकता हूँ, because as you know, a processor are generally very expensive. Processor के अंदर जो internals जो lines रहती हैं वो सारी की सारी they are made up of golds. Okay, what is the reason? The reason is basically gold is a good conductor, very good conductor, or bad conductor of electricity. It is very good conductor. Okay, so that is why अगर आप scrap वालों के पास जाओगे वो computer आपसे लेता है और उससे they try to extract gold out of it. Okay, because the processor holds the gold in it. Okay, not that much कि 1 किलो 2 किलो इतना gold नहीं मिलेगा. They just draw the lines out of it. Okay, so that the current passes through it. Okay, so अगर आप एक circuit भी कम कर पाते हो, so you remove that cost from your circuit. Okay, so that is why the whole processor never has a subtractor in it. Subtractor नाम की कोई circuit है ही नहीं. Okay, so अगर आपको subtraction करना है तो भी आपको addition के through करना पड़ेगा, और वो कैसे possible with the help of 2's complement. अगर आपको 2's complement पता है, then you can achieve adder, then you can achieve subtraction with the help of adder circuit only. Is this clear? Is it clear? Yeah, so in the next class we'll be discussing how to do addition, how does addition work in binary, then how does it work in decimal. फिर वो कुछ example लेके we'll perform addition का operation. Then there are different types of adder circuit, okay, which is half carry, full carry. Okay, then वो थोड़ा बहुत concept देखना है. Then we'll jump into some logic gates, and then we'll try to finish up our first module. Okay, so at least जो अब तक हमने सीखा है, that is the end of your number system. Okay, यहाँ पे number system आपका end हो जाता है. Okay, after this your new topic will be starting, which is the arithmetic part and the logical part. Okay, so those part will be starting from the first module. The number system is over. Okay, so please, if you have time on Sundays, please work on what are the different things that you need to work on. कोई भी एक random number ले लो, मैं चाहिए तो मैं इधर exercise दे देता हूँ. Take 13.125. Okay, try to convert this number, which is a decimal number, try to convert it into binary, try to convert it into octal, try to convert it into hexadecimal. Okay, do this. After that, get minus 30. Okay, try to convert into binary representation. Find the binary representation of minus 30. Okay, minus 13.125 का भी binary representation will be exactly just like आप नॉर्मल नंबर का करते हैं. ओके, सो 13 का अगर आपको माइनस 13.125 करना है तो जस्ट गेट माइनस 13. ओके, माइनस 13 आप निकाल लो टिल यू गेट द फर्स्ट वन. यू कॉपी एग्जैक्टली पॉइंट के आगे का कुछ रेशियो नहीं है, जस्ट कीप एज इट इज व्हाटएवर इज देयर आफ्टर द पॉइंट. पॉइंट से पहले वाला जो डिजिट है, लेट्स से अगर 13 को मैं लिखता हूं, 13 कैन बी रिटन डाउन एज 13 कैन बी रिटन डाउन एज 8 4 12 01. दिस इज हाउ 13 रिटन डाउन एज, राइट. 0.125 अगर मैं कुछ भी कोई भी वैल्यू ले लेता हूँ 001. ओके, लेट्स से दिस इज माइनस दिस इज 13.125. लेट्स अज्यूम दिस इज 13.125. माइनस 13.125 कैसे लिखा जाएगा? पॉइंट के आगे जो वैल्यू था उसको एज इट इज रहने दो, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. दिस यू नीड टू फ्लिप एज सून एज यू गेट द फर्स्ट बिट, यू जस्ट फ्लिप द रेस्ट ऑफ द बिट. सो ये क्या हो जाएगा? दिस विल बिकम 1, दिस विल बिकम again 1, this will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 1. So this is nothing but minus 13.125. Okay, so it is exactly same thing. इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ फर्क नहीं है. So yeah, just try to get as much practice as possible. So negative number का representation क्या है, positive number का representation क्या है, 2's complement किसको वो बोलते हैं, just try to revise all those things, because यहाँ पे number system खत्म तो हो गया, but it will be used again in the later part. Okay, आगे के part में especially in fourth module, which has 2 or 3 numericals which is there and which is completely based on the number system will be there, which you have learned in the first week of your COA. Okay, so please make sure to go back and just go through it. Okay, ज़्यादा कुछ difficult नहीं है. Go through the numerous PPTs that you can get from online. कोई अगर videos में मिल रहा है YouTube पे, आप उधर भी देखो. मैं ये video को भी साथ में upload कर दूँगा. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can just note it down and you can ask me in the next class. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो एनीबॉडी हैज अ डाउट? किसी को सब्जेक्ट डिफिकल्ट जा रहा है या समझने में दिक्कत हो रही है? डू यू वांट मी टू चेंज द अदर, कुछ टीचिंग में कुछ चेंज करने की जरूरत है, और इज इट अंडरस्टूड? यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट?
सर वो डेसिमल टू बाइनरी में जो नंबर सिस्टम दिया ना आपने, उसका वो मेथड का वो कंफ्यूज हो गया मैं।
ओके, आई विल क्विकली गो टू दैट। डेसिमल से बाइनरी ना?
हाँ सर,
यानी सॉरी, एक सेकेंड, आई जस्ट डिस्कार्ड एवरीथिंग एंड आई विल स्टार्ट अगेन। यानी मेरे पास अगर कोई डेसिमल नंबर है, I've got a decimal number, let's say 13.125, सेम नंबर ले लेता हूँ मैं, बराबर ना? दिस डेसिमल नंबर आई नीड टू कन्वर्ट इनटू बाइनरी, बराबर ना? यही एडविन बोल रहे हो आप?
नहीं, ये वाला नहीं, वो नंबर सिस्टम का,
साइन नंबर का बोल रहे हो?
साइन नंबर का, सॉरी,
साइन नंबर का। सो अगर -13 अगर आपको दिया गया है, इसको अगर आपको बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना है तो कैसे करेंगे, यही पूछ रहे हो आप?
पहले 13 को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना।
हाँ, सो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? अगर इसको बाइनरी में करना है तो सबसे पहले 13 निकालना पड़ेगा आपको, +13 निकालना पड़ेगा। सो व्हाट इज +13? +13 इज नथिंग बट, आप चाहिए तो नॉर्मली आप एलसीएम के मेथड से डिवाइड बाय 2 से आप कर सकते हो। सो यू डिवाइड बाय 2, यू विल गेट व्हाट? 6, यू विल गेट अ रिमाइंडर एज 1। उसके बाद आप फिर 2 से करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? 3, यू गेट रिमाइंडर एज 0। यू डिवाइड 2 by 3 by 2, you will get 1, you will get remainder as 1. Okay, and then you cannot divide it further. Okay, so what you'll do, this is where you'll stop. So what you'll get the number as 1101. Okay, and then you need to put extra 0 to it. Okay, so now this number has become +13. After you have got +13, आपको इसको -13 में कन्वर्ट करना है। So in order to convert into -13, I'll go by the longer route. सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? गेट इट्स वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, इसका वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट पहले निकालो। वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालने के लिए जो भी नंबर है, जो भी बिट है, उसको सिर्फ आपको उल्टा करना है। ओके, सो दिस 0 विल बिकम 1, दिस 1 विल बिकम 0, दिस 1 विल बिकम 0, दिस 0 विल बिकम 1, दिस 1 विल बिकम 0। सो अगर आपको राइट टू लेफ्ट जाना है, लेफ्ट टू राइट जाना है, क्योंकि सिर्फ आपको फ्लिप करना है, तो आप कोई भी डायरेक्शन में जा सकते हो, बिकॉज इट विल नॉट हैव एनी इंपैक्ट। ओके, वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकलने के बाद आपको क्या करना है? उसके अंदर +1 ऐड करना है। आफ्टर दिस यू विल गेट व्हाट? यू विल गेट 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट। 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ एनी पॉजिटिव नंबर इज नथिंग बट इट्स नेगेटिव नंबर। सो बेसिकली मुझे फाइंड करना था -13, तो -13 निकालने के लिए मैं क्या करूंगा? पहले इसका वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालूंगा और इसके अंदर मैं 1 को ऐड कर दूंगा, एंड वॉट एवर द वैल्यू दैट आई गेट, दैट इज नथिंग बट माई -13। सो जस्ट एड इट, 0 + 1 इज नथिंग बट 1, this 1 will come down, it will be 1, this 0 will come down, this 0 will come down, and this 1 will come down. So this is nothing but your -13. Okay,
awesome.
The easier route is, what is the easier route? Once you have got +13, you need to convert it into 2's complement. 2's complement करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? जब तक 1 नहीं आता तब तक आप कॉपी करोगे। मेरा 1 आ गया, इसके बाद के जितने भी बिट है मुझे फ्लिप करने पड़ेंगे। तो 0 will become 1, this 1 will become 0, this 1 will become 0, this 0 will become 1. So I can get the same answer using this approach. I can get the same answer using the easier approach.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
I'll take do on your own about -15. How to get -15? So 15 can be written down as 1 1 1 1. You add 0 to it. Okay, अगर आपको कोई भी नंबर कन्वर्ट करना है, okay, let's say मुझे 17 को कन्वर्ट करना है, so सबसे पहले आपको 2 का पावर पता होना चाहिए। ओके, सो 2 का पावर क्या होता है? 2⁻0, 2⁻1, 2⁻2, 2⁻3, 2⁻4, 2⁻5, एटलीस्ट 2⁻6 तक आपको पता होना चाहिए। सो दिस इज नथिंग बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट बिट, दिस इज द सेकंड बिट, दिस इज द थर्ड बिट, दिस इज द फोर्थ बिट, दिस इज द फिफ्थ बिट, दिस इज सिक्स्थ बिट, दिस इज सेवेंथ बिट। ओके, या तो एटलीस्ट इतना आपको पता नहीं चाहिए। 2⁻0 इज नथिंग बट 1, 2⁻1 इज नथिंग बट 2, 2⁻2 इज नथिंग बट 4, 2⁻3 इज नथिंग बट 8, 2⁻4 इज नथिंग बट 16, 2⁻5 is nothing but 32, and 2⁻6 is nothing but 64। तो अगर आपको 17 चाहिए, अगर आपको 17 निकालना है तो आप क्या करोगे? 16 पे 1 डाल दोगे और ये 1 पे 1 डाल दोगे, बाकी सबको आप 0 बना दोगे, राइट? या सो दिस इज द इजीएस्ट वे ऑफ डूइंग इट। ओके, सो एटलीस्ट अगर आपको इतना पता है तो आप कोई भी नंबर को आसानी से कन्वर्ट कर पाओगे। तो लेट्स से अगर मुझे 3 चाहिए, सिर्फ मुझे 3 चाहिए, सो मैं क्या करूंगा? इसको 1 कर दूंगा, 2 को 1 कर दूंगा और 1 को 1 कर दूंगा। 2 + 1 is nothing but 3, रेस्ट ऑल बिट आई विल बी मेकिंग एज 0। Okay, so this is nothing but 3 का representation. This is nothing but this is 17 का representation. Let's say अगर मुझे 12 करना है तो मैं क्या करूँगा, 8 plus 4 is 12. So I'll just make 8 as 1 and 4 bit as 1. बाकी सारे bit को मैं 0 कर दूंगा. Okay, so this is nothing but representation of 12. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
11 चाहिए तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, 8, 2, 10 और 11. तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, 8 पे 1 करना पड़ेगा, 4 पे 0 करना पड़ेगा, 2 पे 1 करना पड़ेगा और 1 पे 1 करना पड़ेगा. तो 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, and all the other remaining bit will be made as 0. So this is nothing but 11. So this is the easiest way of calculating. दूसरा तरीका जो है, that is you divide, keep on dividing by 2, which is a longer method. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much. You can leave. If you have any doubts, stay in the meet. If you don't have, you can leave.
थैंक यू सर.
Sure. Bye. Take care.
सर
Yes. Yes.
क्वेश्चन अगर बाइनरी से सॉल्व करने का आया तो उसमें हम लोग वो 2:0, 2:1 वैसा मेथड से करने का या फिर डिवाइड करने
कोई
का?
भी मेथड से कर सकते हो आप, कोई भी मेथड से कर सकते हो.
ओके.
फॉलो जो भी आसान मेथड है आप वो यूज कर लो, कोई इशू नहीं. As long as you get the correct answer, it is acceptable.
Okay.
Only in the case of 2's complement, the shortest method will not be used. Okay, because
Okay.
हाँ,
वो +1 ऐड करने का
हाँ,
उधर.
वो कर लेना. लेकिन
Okay.
आगे वाले प्रोसेस में जब कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा, you can also use the shortest method.
Okay.
हाँ.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. Yeah. Bye. Take care.